really thank that you give me this time and opportunity to do a session with you.
Thank you for inviting me. I still feel that there could be many other people, but yeah, it's sweet of you.
No, ma'am, see, मैंने पहले भी बोला and I think I should say this in the first also. I'm a big fan of your work. This is
Oh,
honestly from the heart.
I still have to do too much. So
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
just.
Okay. So then the first thing that I want to ask you is, during this time, we see a lot of craze in social media. If you particularly talk about YouTube or OTT platforms. So what you feel like this is gonna be the future in next coming years, aside beside Bollywood?
Okay, so we have to understand that just because something new is coming, the old is not going to be substituted with it. So,
Yeah.
for instance, if you already have been eating ghar ka khana and you like it, but just because there's a new restaurant there doesn't mean आप घर का खाना खाना बंद कर दोगे, right?
अच्छा.
So when new things come, especially in the creative industries, they are a separate space is made for them. So yes, definitely, YouTube is something that people in India have been exploring for a while, but it hasn't reached that success that it should have reached.
Okay.
Now, because of the pandemic, I think people realize that they will have to explore the online world much better and smarter. So I think
Yeah.
that has given them a little push. What could have happened in India, say 4 years down the line, has happened suddenly. And
Okay.
so while cinemas will exist, while people will still go to theaters as and when it becomes safer for them to go, you will have more OTT platform stuff coming out, more YouTubers growing in numbers and getting more creative with whatever their content is. So I think we will see a time where one person will have many options in terms of entertainment, because India is one country where we naturally don't have a habit of going to a theater to watch a play
Yeah.
or go to
Yeah.
an exhibition of paintings. We're that country that loves cinema. So now we're
Yeah.
going to get more options, which is a good thing. We're heading to good times.
Definitely. There's when I was, doing the session, a lot of people, knows me because of the I do session with bureaucrats and finance. So I wrote as you were a publicist of Shah Rukh Khan. So can you just define what's the role of a publicist, for all of us?
So
And basically, what's the difference between a publicist and a manager?
that's a very simple one actually. So
Okay.
just to explain what a publicist does, a public relations company or a public relations executive manager, anybody does is it's that person or the team that builds the brand by connecting the
Yeah.
person to the media, so that eventually when people get to read about the person or get to hear about the person via radio or television or anything, they're getting to know the person via the
Yeah.
tool of the media. So generally, it is how you create a perception around a person based on what the personality or the hard work is. So that's what my job
Yeah.
is. When I mean, the kind of stories people must be reading in newspapers or seeing it on news channels about certain people I'm working with. So basically, I'm making sure that that perception is created properly in those platforms. And a manager basically takes care of, let's just say, the movies, what kind of movies a certain actor should be doing, or if the movie has been signed on, what kind of dates, how the dates are divided, and just making sure that the livelihood of a person who's trying to become an actor or is an actor already, the life runs
Yeah.
smoothly. So actually, these two jobs are very crucial in today's time in our industry, because it makes life simpler for an artist, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah. So, but जब publicist की बात आई है, like everybody is wanting to know your experience working with the great Shah Rukh Khan.
So I had already known him before I was offered the job. Um,
Okay,
I've known him for good 15 years now, because when I
15
was,
years.
yeah, because when I was in
Oh
Times
my
of
God.
India, I used to interview him as a journalist, and
Okay.
so
So अच्छा आपने भी मेरे जैसा रोल प्ले किया है पहले?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल किया है, मैं बिल्कुल पीछे भागी हूँ लोगों के, भाई मुझे प्लीज इंटरव्यू दे दो, but
अच्छा अच्छा.
I have enjoyed that part as well, because it really opens up your perspective towards things, and
Yeah.
it makes you well equipped to handle any profession. I think journalism did that for me, so I really enjoyed it. I was a journalist for 8 years, and in that time period is when I met Mr. Khan for the first time, interviewed him many times. I think he was one of the few people who's always such a delight to have a conversation with. Gives you the best headlines possible, gives you the best stories, life lessons, everything. And to, I shifted to Bombay, honestly, in 2011 to learn production. Had no intentions
Okay.
of becoming a publicist. And I would say that he is responsible for making me a publicist. I have to give it to him because when you get a job offer from him, so you
Yeah,
do
it's
not
fine.
say
I can
no.
hear you.
And so I became one, working with him, and 5 beautiful years of learning, of kind of becoming who I am today. I owe it to him completely. I have learned. I would like to believe I was always a hardworking person, but he's made me a, let's just say, smart working with hardworking person. His dedication while he's a superstar is at another level. I have not seen actors, young actors of the caliber at which Mr. Shah Rukh Khan can work. He is another level genius and another level
Yeah.
superhuman because that whole, jazba of not giving up, let's get it, let's go for it. And at his stage, he is still open to learning. I find that
Yeah.
the most amazing. So when you work around a person like that, you yourself get inspired to do better in life. You're never going
Yeah.
to settle for ordinary or okay or even good. It has to be stupendously good.
अच्छा. मैम, the next question is something related to this. अगर मैं कहीं पे गलत हूँ तो please मुझे सही कर देना.
नहीं
I
नहीं पूछो पूछो.
heard somewhere that to become a big celebrity or somebody known, you have to understand the business at first. So it can be any field, because to cater your creativity to the mass crowd, you should know what's the business going on. And I heard in some of the interviews, someone said that Shah Rukh Khan is someone, he knows the business very well, and that's the reason he is a heartthrob in the globe. So how will you define that?
Everybody is very different. Some of the people are born in this industry and know the business of this industry really well. Some of them have come from outside and been very successful. You don't really have to have a knack for one particular thing except for that one passion. He was very clear what he wanted. He wanted to be an actor, a superstar, and he achieved it slowly studying the industry. And that's really very essential. So I'm not saying that you have to come with all your skill sets of, you need to know business. There are hardcore artists out here. Some of them even I
Yeah.
represent, like I represent Kirti Kuladi, who is doing
Okay.
so brilliantly well in her life.
Yeah.
And she's a brilliant actor. I don't see her fussing around about anything else. Her concentration is just her craft. So there are people like
Yeah.
that as well, and they can equally get success because
Huh.
you have to know what you really want in life.
Huh.
You have to be very clear with it and you have to stick to it. You have to keep working hard till you achieve it. That is actually what is the success mantra for even SRK. He is not given up ever.
Okay.
And you gotta keep pushing your limits always. So you have to be clear of what you want.
So, as a point of view of a creator, मुझे ये question personally आपको पूछने का मन कर रहा है कि when somebody is growing or as a creator, what should keeps going in mind कि जो business पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए कि ऐसा कुछ बनाओ ताकि लोग ज्यादा खाए, या you should be more thoughtful about your creation, which should one should follow the most?
Originality always sells. And I've noticed that at least in the last 1 year.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
while there has been so much increase in, say, hate, and hate has become such an easy thing to do online,
Yeah.
also the gems on online, whether it is Instagram or when TikTok used to be there, or even YouTube and everything, have been
Yeah.
the lighter moments of life, the originalities of life. People want to laugh, people want to love, people want to learn. People are, their emotional side has been cajoled in this pandemic. So I think
Yeah.
anything that is original, that is refreshing, that is motivational, that's sort of a life lesson, but in a fun way, I think people grab on it because it's a patient's job. You can't like expect results overnight or expect
Ah.
things to change. So you have to have a lot of patience. But keep doing what you want to do because that is your long-term plan. That's an extension of your personality. So you shouldn't want to do
Yeah.
something that other people are doing. You should do what you want to do.
Definitely. And you know, you are also the national media manager for Allu Arjun, and
Mm.
like he is one of the heartthrob in South India and
Yes,
also in different
yes,
parts of the country.
yes.
So before that, you worked for Shah Rukh Khan, and now you are also representing Allu Arjun. So I want to say, like, how is the feeling of working in Bollywood and working there? So how will you defend that stardom, especially?
So when I actually started my company, my first client
Huh.
was Mr. Kamal Hassan, and I definitely
Oh,
want to talk about him first because
yeah.
you know, while he had not seen my work, what I
Hmm.
had done for SRK, I liked the fact that he gave me a chance with a brand new company in tow and publicist he hadn't seen the work of. He
Hmm.
gave me a chance, and he started his political party about 3 years back, where
Yeah.
I represented him. I still do represent him nationally as his national media
Okay.
manager there, and
Uh,
you know what, I don't know what I am bringing on the table for them, but for me, I am I feel I'm blessed because I get to work with so many amazing people, whether it's him, whether it's Mr. Alu Arjun,
uh,
whether it is say Siddharth Roy Kapoor, who's a
uh,
leading producer in our film industry, or I've gotten to work with Ms. Ron Sruwala as well a number of times. I'm getting to learn so much, and this job just keeps doing that to you. You get to hear these
uh,
people talk, learn newer aspects of things. I mean, Mr. Hassan is legend, and
yeah.
you know when you listen to a legend, all that's going to come out of it is you're learning on the job, and it
Yeah.
betters me completely. So I'm really enjoying this. Not much difference in talent, so to say. Not
Uh,
much difference in the drive they have. They all
uh.
have that hunger to do more, and I'm glad I'm getting to work with such motivated people.
कभी कभार when you are sitting alone
Hmm.
और ऐसे ही मतलब बैठे हो आप कभी ऐसा
Hmm.
फील होता है कि am I still dreaming because you are working with such people जिन लोगों को दूर से देखना भी सपना होता है बहुत लोगों के लिए और
Hmm.
like to see Shahrukh Khan from here या to see Kamal Hassan from here 2 kilometers away people are just standing in queues
Yeah.
and you have worked with them you have spent most of the beautiful times with them so do you ever feel that is it am I still dreaming or it's something I was always wondering for.
You should ask my mother this. Actually, she'll be able to answer it better. She's, by the way, watching
Okay.
this live.
uh,
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 I've never been a starstruck person ever,
अच्छा.
and in fact, it is by chance that I started covering
uh,
cinema in Times of India because my
yeah.
editor said you should try because I used to cover fashion, and I never used
Okay.
to watch Hindi films, by the way, and I'm not saying that proudly. Now, though, I watch everything. I just completely watch everything because I know how much hard work goes in making one. Um,
uh,
but I think I genuinely feel it's a very destiny oriented thing. I have changed my jobs, changed my companies so many times till I started my own, which I definitely am going to hold on to for life. But
uh,
I'm actually one person, you throw in a situation, I'll make the most of it. But I have never actually taken out time to sit back and reflect on things because one, I've never had time to do that.
okay.
Two, I think I'll do that when I feel, yeah, okay, now it's the time because maybe I feel I've achieved. I still feel that
uh,
there is so much more to do, even in my profession at my stage, that it's too early for me to sit and reflect.
Yeah, yeah. And honestly, जो चीज मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगता है मैम आपके बारे में, like you are doing such great things और आपके पास मतलब ये कर नहीं भी करोगे तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Then also you support creators like us. You say you are doing a great job, and I see a lot of times you share their work, and I don't know what to say, but really, really thankful, ma'am. For personally, I'm really
I
thankful.
mean, why should you say thanks? Thank you. I mean, I should be saying thank you to you all. You all are doing such. I genuinely
Yeah,
feel that to put your creativity out there is a very brave thing. A lot of people are
yeah,
creative, but sometimes they just don't find that little push in themselves to put things out there, put it out in the open, be vulnerable to
uh,
comments and people and their thoughts and everything. So it's absolutely good. I mean, I like your interview you did with the lady, I'm forgetting her name, who has a security agency. A woman having a
oh
security
yeah, 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 yeah.
agency,
Uh,
I think that was such a lovely interview you did. And it's so
Yeah.
good to know that your
Uh,
platform's open to a conversation and making heroes out of people who do deserve a pat on the back. So it's very good.
when it comes from ma'am, then it's really a big thing for me.
No, please don't
Really
say
big thing
that.
for yeah. While doing podcasts with the bureaucrats and especially with the IFS officers, cut to while doing a podcast with you, I want to ask you. I personally feel that आपकी जो job है ना, it's more than working in a secret agency. You know why? Let me tell you. Because you are working so closely with lot of things, and there are sometimes कुछ project आगे आने वाला है जो आपको personally पता होता है कि पूरे दुनिया को नहीं पता होता है. So अगर कुछ भी स्लिप ऑफ टंग हो गया तो दैट गोना बी अ कंट्रोवर्सी थ्रू ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सोशल मीडिया ये वो सब जगह हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट थिंग
So one thing I think that really helps me in everything is I hate rushing into things.
ओके
I like taking my time, whether it is a difficult situation or whether it is actually planning and putting the plan to execution. So I have faced situations in the past where leaks have happened, and I don't want to point out the particular situation, but
या
well, leak has happened. I keep telling this to my team also that nothing is the end of the world.
या
So you got to calm yourself down to get the situation right. And if something has happened that shouldn't have happened or you were not planning for it to happen, how can you turn it around in your own benefit? That's what you should be
क्या बात
concentrating on. But because if you keep spending time, यार ये क्यों हो गया ये कैसे हो गया तो वो आप समय वेस्ट कर रहे हो वही समय यूटिलाइज करके ये सोचो अच्छा ये हो गया है हाउ डू वी make it for our own benefit? How do we turn the situation around?
Yeah, yeah. On this note, as you have handled so much celebrities, ये question मैं हर creator की तरफ से आपको पूछना चाहूँगा. Social media आजकल as you were saying कि there are a lot of hatred also. It's become very easy
Yes, a lot.
क्योंकि बहुत लोग जानते भी नहीं है, पहचानते नहीं है, ऐसे कुछ गाली गलौज कर देते हैं.
Yeah.
So standing on that note, how will you describe like how to keep yourself motivated and keeping negativity aside?
In fact, when people get to know who I work with and everything, they start
Yeah.
thinking, I'm directing the film, I'm also producing the film. So मेरे को भी बहुत मतलब
So you are
मिलता
directing
है.
a film?
No, I'm not. I'm not. But
अच्छा.
people think that, if
हाँ.
this film hasn't worked, she was responsible for it and everything. So I've had that coming, my way. But I also realize it's their love that's making them
Yeah.
negative about things not working out and stuff. And hate generally comes out of very few reasons. I mean, either they've not understood the situation, or they've been brainwashed in thinking something, or they love somebody so much that the hate is coming out of the fact that that thing hasn't worked out and they're sad about it. So they need a
Yeah.
scapegoat. So there's always a need for a scapegoat to take out, your own hate. But I've started believing in one thing. There are two ways you can handle it. Either you ignore it
Yeah.
or you just reply with love, because you don't have to always just be one up every time. You can always give back some love so that if they've forgotten how to love, they'll realize it. And if they don't, it's okay. Let them be. They are not going to change anything in your life. The only people who change anything in your
Yeah.
life are the ones who you love.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. And I don't know from where you started your journey and career, but I want to ask you, ki you might have faced a lot of failures in your life. You were trying, and might be facing a lot of failures. So I want you to share one of your failure story, and moreover, how you overcame that situation. Because शायद बहुत सारे यूथ आपको देख रहा है और ये पॉडकास्ट अगर देखेंगे उनको लग सकता है कि if you have done it, we can also do it.
So I wouldn't say I've been lucky that I have a very strong support system with my parents
Yeah.
because I literally till the end of my college didn't know what I wanted to do. I just wanted to write. Yeah, I just wanted to write. And so if my mom hadn't pushed me for an interview, go see if it's interesting. And I did, and I ended up in India Today's newspaper today, which later on became Mail Today, and unfortunately now it's shut. It was a tabloid in Delhi, and I learned journalism there with some amazing people, and then I joined Times of India and left that. And I can only imagine my parents must be worried, like, ये लड़की क्या कर रही है? Times of India का job छोड़ता है कौन? And then now she wants to move to Bombay, so I can only imagine the thoughts they must have gone through.
हाँ
But
हाँ
I think my real struggle in finding a foothold started when
yeah
I started my own company. Because
yeah
it's weird to say this, but actually my struggle started after I got success. So
yeah.
when you work with a Shah Rukh Khan, you keep feeling, oh my God, she's gonna like, what is she gonna do? But I never wanted
I'm
to
sorry to
approach.
interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you. एक
Yeah.
मतलब ये मैं बिना पूछ के रह नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि as
हाँ,
you said about शाहरुख खान, कभी ऐसा हुआ कि like you are trying for something and वो click नहीं हो रहा है? Might be anything. And you know one day शाहरुख खान के मैम said कि यार कोशिश कर ले हो जाएगा या something like that. ऐसा कुछ हुआ कभी? You know he
yeah.
pushed you कि yeah you can do it.
You know, the one thing that I really love about that man is he knows the capacity of a person. वो
Okay.
बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी कर लेते हैं, तो
अच्छा.
उन्हें पता होता है कि किसकी क्या कैपेबिलिटी, उस हिसाब से उस इंसान के पास वो काम होता है हमेशा. I have,
अच्छा.
first of all, when you're working for Shah Rukh Khan, nobody else says no to you. Everybody wants to be around Shah Rukh Khan. So you get things easier than what it is. But when you want to do something bright and brilliant and different, I'm one person who doesn't give up. तो मेरे को जब तक वो चीज़ नहीं होती ना मुझसे, जब तक मैं नहीं कर लेती हूँ, तो I also don't give up.
क्या हुआ?
So yeah, well, we haven't had that situation yet, but yes,
हाँ
it's good to have been in a company which
हाँ.
let you grow and learn like that. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so मेरे personally कुछ दोस्त है, they are a big fan of Allu Arjun. So when I I
Nice.
said them कि I'm doing this podcast with you, they said please ask you कि अगर if you can share one of your story working with him.
So me and my company started working with Mr. Allu Arjun, Bunny, as he is known,
Yeah.
2019 end, yeah. And we started work on the film Ala Vaikunta Kurundu,
Okay.
his last release, which was a humongous hit. And I'm so glad that we could join him and do PR for him and around the film. Also, the one thing that I've learned working with different people is their personalities are so different, but their aim is one:
Yeah.
hard work and achieving, being motivated, being ambitious. And I like working with ambitious people. Allu Arjun
Yeah.
is a very humble person. So he is a superstar there, but you meet
Yeah.
him and you immediately know he's a shy, slightly
Oh, really?
introvert. Oh yeah, he's a shy guy. He's very shy and
हाँ.
excessively sweet. But he understands, like you were talking about the business, he understands the business really well. He
Yeah.
has observed over the years and learned.
हाँ.
And that's a good part about him. He's going to go a long way.
As you said no ma'am, like he is very humble. I think हमें एक सेलिब्रिटी की वही दिखाई देता है जो हमें मीडिया दिखाता है. एंड आई पर्सनली फील समटाइम्स इट्स नॉट ट्रू बिकॉज इन दैट नोट कि अगर किसी ने कभी गुस्सा दिखाया, क्योंकि एवरीबडी इज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, नोबडी लाइक द कैमरा एवरी टाइम ऑन योर फेस. सो do you think that humbleness is also a key to be successful? You have to be humble and as well as you have to be patient because कुछ लोग तो होंगे, अब चाहे जिंदगी में कितना भी अच्छा काम कर लो, गालियां देंगे, बोलेगा अरे यार इसको नहीं पता कुछ. So somebody has to be keep that in mind.
नहीं यार, again, I'll say that if you can be real,
हाँ.
people see that. If you're real, no matter who you are, you're an actor, you're a director, you're a technician, or for that matter, even in other responsibilities in life or other professions. If you're a banker, you're a doctor, you're a policeman. If you're earnest, honest, and real, you're not faking it, it will always work in your favor. I have seen people, and there's a strict policy of no fakeness in my office. I cannot concoct stories and bake up stories. And मेरे से नहीं होता है और ना मेरी टीम करती है, तो we're very clear about a certain kind of PR that we will not do ever. And it's very essential that who are you working with? So you attract what you are, right? And it happens in work also. So I'm actually blessed that way. That's word that I actually am working with some very talented people of this industry who don't need to fake it, who don't need to fake humbleness because they genuinely are humble, who don't need to be suddenly kind because they genuinely are
Yeah.
kind. वो
Yeah.
वो ओरिजिनल लाइफ में वैसे हैं, तो उनको ना प्रिटेंड नहीं करना पड़ता. तो जैसे हो वैसे रहो. अगर हाँ, अगर your personality has some flaws, then you must definitely improve because not everybody is perfect. It's okay to improve,
Yeah.
and it's okay to learn at any age possible.
Yeah, definitely. And there's one thing I think it goes especially on your profession that I personally feel it's one of the pressurized job. क्योंकि by mistake अगर किसी celebrity के साथ कुछ हो गया हिस्सा, by God grace I don't want that. But अगर हो गया, so all the limelight, media, everybody is running on, for them. So, and you all are the person they need to carry out and need to sort out the things. So, how do you tackle that pressure and, how you manage those situations? Or अगर कुछ ऐसे situation है कि you can share, then it will be great.
I used to panic quite a bit
हाँ.
because, especially when you work for a brand like SRK, and I kept feeling that, I don't know why I had this job. I used to keep feeling, oh my God, like somebody better can do this job. But I realized that now I have it and I need to put my best foot forward. So I used to always be scared of making mistakes. And trust me, I've learned this, I think, out of my own experience that if something scares you, it's good for you. If it is scary, it is good because it will always keep you in check. It will always make you double check things. Like if you're scared of writing, when you write for the first time, you are going to double check it, triple check it, to read it 4-5 times before you post it on a blog. If you're scared of, it happens. And in a way, it's a good thing to be scared. It gets the best out of you. So yes, there have been umpteen amount of situations where a person I'm representing has, been in spotlight for the wrong reasons. But the good thing is, I am of firm belief that a calm mind can get a better solution than a knee-jerk reaction. I do not like knee-jerk reactions. Like, अरे ये हो गया तो statement release करते नहीं. Let's understand the situation. Does it require for us to have a conversation? Does it require for us to clear the air? If it doesn't, let it go. Because a lot of things in today's time are happening because people are frustrated. And they need a topic to talk about. They need a topic to put hate on. They just need a scapegoat like we discussed earlier. So give it time. Understand the situation. That's really essential. Calm mind gets better solutions always.
Definitely. I think this is one of the sessions where I'm going to learn a lot personally and I'm going to utilize this in my, in my life a lot. So I won't take much of your time. I'm going to end it on this note. But एक छोटा सा सवाल है मेरा कि this is, out of too much of curiosity I want to ask you. You have worked with so many people and you also sometimes get idea about people while talking with them and you get a brief idea. तो मेरे साथ बात करके कैसा लगेगा? Like what you felt personally. If you have anything feedback to share, then you can share. It will help me to grow.
No, Veem, you keep doing what you're doing. I saw the kind of conversations and interviews you've done. I like the fact that you've not straight away gone to a popular face and a popular celebrity to increase your, followers or get likes and everything. I like the fact that you're doing interviews with real life people. Like I said, I really like that lady's interview that you've done because you are right that security agencies are a male domain so far, and a woman having a security agency. I like that. I like the fact that you've chosen a different path and you're sticking to it. Do well. You're already doing well. A curious mind goes a long way. You have a curious mind. So continue having one.
So thank you so much, ma'am. It really means a lot to me. And once more, thank you for giving me this time.
Thank you for inviting me. You take care too.
Yeah. You take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye.